Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to verify your CashApp Bitcoin. So in order to verify your CashApp Bitcoin, all you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. First of all, go ahead and log in into your CashApp account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page itself, go ahead and select your profile icon. When you tap the profile icon there, you'll be able to see all of these information. So under it, scroll down a bit and go to enable Bitcoin. When you select enable Bitcoin, it's going to show you the pop-up menu where you will be asked to verify your identity. So for that case, you have to submit the identity and all that. So that's basically a verification. There will be some instructions as well, what sort of documents and what sort of stuffs you'll be needed while to verify. So accordingly, prepare the document and verify your account. After you're done verifying your account, then you'll be able to make some transaction. So that's how you can verify your CashApp Bitcoin. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.